आदर आदाब अभिनंदन आभार। मैं अमिताभ बच्चन आपका स्वागत करता हूं और शुरू करता हूं कौन बनेगा करोड़पति।
बैगन।
Yeah, boy. I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. Jealousy, this legacy. You gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. The best of what I know. Better than the rest. Just watch me go. To the test and watch me go. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my thoughts. Ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you do
साले को खोपड़ी तोड़ साले।
gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed. And I'm not nothing.
जल्दी हो आगे।
Those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left.
तेरा तो गेम बजाना पड़ेगा।
Will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no.
चल चल चल। ए गाड़ी स्टार्ट कर। तेरा तो गेम बजाना।
I've been through some injuries. Study them so I don't repeat them. They're only me. They don't wanna be bad enough to get a seat. They'd rather just go leave it be. I know this journey I've been on since 13. Working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning. All this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay. I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright. I'm just barely getting by, but I'll tell you I'm just fine. So you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet. But those words they'll regret. Cause
जलवा है हमारा।